If you want to turn off the Google weather notifications on your Android phone, we can do this through Settings. So first we'll go to Settings, and then scroll down to Apps. On some Android phones, you'll have to tap a button that says Show All Apps to see the full list. Then scroll down until you find the Google app. Tap it to go to the app settings, and within the app settings, we're going to go to Notifications. There's two ways to handle this. You can just flip the main switch here, which disables all notifications from the Google app. Or, if you still want to see some notifications, scroll down to Notification Categories, where you can individually toggle different types on or off. So if I just wanted to disable weather specifically, I could turn off these two weather-related notifications, while leaving everything else enabled. Or, of course, you can just use that main toggle to turn everything off if that works better for you. If you don't see those notification categories, you'll need to enable them first. You'll find that toggle under Settings, Notifications, Advanced Settings, and from there, you just toggle on Manage Notification Categories for each app. Some phones have that disabled by default, but that'll give you a lot more control about the notifications from each app. And that is how you turn off notifications from the Google app. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more. Thanks all!